Question number 1. Which planet is known as the red planet? The correct answer is Mars. Question number 2. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? The correct answer is William Shakespeare. Question number 3. What is the largest mammal in the world? The correct answer is blue whale. Question number 4. How many continents are there on Earth? The correct answer is 7. Question number 5. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? The correct answer is diamond. Question number 6. Which ocean is the largest in the world? The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. Question number 7. Who invented the telephone? The correct answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 8. What is the capital of Japan? The correct answer is Tokyo. Question number 9. How many colors are there in a rainbow? The correct answer is 7. Question number 10. Which gas do humans breathe in for survival? The correct answer is oxygen. Question number 11. What is the currency of the United States of America? The correct answer is dollar. Question number 12. Who discovered gravity? The correct answer is Isaac Newton. Question number 13. Which is the largest desert in the world? The correct answer is the Antarctic Desert. Question number 14. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? The correct answer is Mercury. Question number 15. Who is known as the father of computers? The correct answer is Charles Babbage. Question number 16. How many players are there in a football team on the field? The correct answer is 11. Question number 17. Which country is called the land of the rising sun? The correct answer is Japan. Question number 18. What is the chemical symbol of water? The correct answer is H2O. Question number 19. Who painted the Mona Lisa? The correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 20. Which planet is closest to the sun? The correct answer is Mercury.